Now, as all of us know that J is over, answer key is out, result is about to come, and we are not very much satisfied with our JE performance. So what to do, sir? So here is the important thing that you must understand, that opportunity is not lost yet. Whatever happened has happened, and it was bound to happen. Right now, what we can do is we can make the best choice for ourselves, and that is, let's make a comeback with VIT Triple E examination. It is just 15 days away. But yes, if we understand this plan, what we are gonna discuss in this video, then definitely mark my words, nobody can stop you from getting into VIT Well or VIT Chennai top branches through VIT Triple E examination. I'm gonna tell you the topper strategy that they have applied in their last 15 days and how they have is the exam. Same thing, if you replicate it, definitely you can also crack VIT Triple E examination with really top rank, and you can get into top branches. And if you really want us to continue with the VIT Triple E practice series, then target is 200 likes. So like this video as much as possible. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe it right now, and also watch it from beginning till the end so that you do not miss out on any important thing. And if you really want to boost your VIT Triple E preparation, you can check out our VIT Triple E crash course recommended by VIT Triple E toppers themselves. And yes, it is highly effective course. Below in the description box, complete details are provided. Now remember that JEE first attempt ruined, no problem, no worries. Still, VIT Triple E is your comeback. And yes, we have to move on with the VIT Triple E, which is our real opportunity. Remember that here the exam is all about the speed and accuracy, since this year negative marking have been introduced. And also, yes, it is more of the formula based, slightly easier than the JEE level. So definitely we need to be really very well versed with our 12th, 11th formulas and concepts. And yes, JEE preparation means already 70% you are ready. But yes, certainly you need to sense that kind of feeling of confidence. What is required right now? Mindset shift is essential. Last option? No, there is not last option. JEE is not a last option. This is your smart comeback with VIT Triple E examination. Overthinking? Are you spending too much of time in overthinking? Then just stop it right now and let's make a comeback with the perfect execution, which is really important. Remember that these next 15 days can prove to be a really game changer for you. It's a golden chance to get into VIT Vellore and VIT Chennai. Both are extremely good colleges, and yes, whatever you are gonna perform in your VIT Triple E examination, that is going to create a huge difference. Let's understand what is our 15 days strategy. What should be the 15 days we must be doing, where we must be focusing additionally. So here we have actually tabulated it in a systematic way for day 1 to day 5, what you are supposed to do: high weightage topics plus formula revision, then PYQs and VIT Triple E standard questions that you must solve. And obviously no deep theory is required, just fast paced revision. And for that purpose, definitely you can refer to some relevant and reliable VIT Triple E resource like that, which is our crash course. Below in the description box, complete details are there. So definitely you can enroll right now also. Daily mock test, VIT Triple E level. Obviously, we cannot negotiate on attempting mock test, and build speed and accuracy. Analyze your mistakes, obviously, and this need to be done in the next 10 to next 15 days. Full revision plus one mock test per day. And obviously you have to analyze your mistakes and avoid them, improve upon them. Remember that accuracy obviously going to matter the most, even more than the attempts, and revision is going to create a huge difference than learning about the new topics. Accuracy plus speed, again they are going to play a very dominant role. And if you really want to cross the 400 marks or 350 marks barrier, what you are supposed to do, at least you need to attempt 110 plus questions, which is really important. And if you are able to attempt this thing, and also remember that aptitude and English section is also very much rewarding, so definitely try to fetch out the maximum out of them and dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes, or say even 30 minutes on daily basis for practicing these sections. And if you really want to boost your overall preparation, obviously this is the VIT Triple E crash course, highly relevant course. Interestingly, the important thing that happened in the course is that there is a special price drop has happened only for today. Course fees, although it is rupees 54.99, but for today we are providing you special 3000 rupees of special discount. So 3000 means, do you imagine what it is? basically after applying the special discount of VIT Comeback. This is our coupon code VIT Comeback. Below in the description you will get all the details including the coupon code as well as the procedure for enrollment. So just apply this coupon code. This is valid just for today. After that the course becomes highly affordable and budget friendly, which is just rupees 2500. In 2500 you are getting, yes, you have heard it right, in 2500 you are getting this VIT EEE 2026 crash course, which is highly recommended by VIT EEE toppers themselves. This is the best way to maximize your score in the limited time frame. In this, what you are getting is the high quality recorded video lectures. Mode of teaching is purely in English. Fast paced revision has been done. Plus you are getting dedicated short trick lectures. Also you are getting exclusive question bank, 10 full length VIT mock test as per the latest pattern. Even the negative marking has also been including in our mock test, which makes it the most relevant mock test in India. Okay, and also we are providing the short notes. So what are you waiting for? Visit our website 10qchallenge.in right now. Below in the description, complete details are there. Just do not think, consider this to be the last opportunity. If you just make it happen, definitely nobody can take away your dream, VIT Vellore, VIT Chennai from you. And with this, I will sign off. Tab tak ke liye Jai Hind. Thank you. God bless you.